Now looking at it, I feel like the texture isn't as abundant as the blue. Before I open the last set, just have FOMO, so you just need to make sure that you pick up every piece. And lastly is this kitten heel. Kitten heel is something that I'm never shy to add to my collection. I picked the one with a beige body with a black tip. Hi guys, welcome back to today's video and happy almost holiday. It is almost Christmas time. I cannot believe it. Some of you who follow me closely know that we have now expanded to a family of 4. Nonetheless, today I have gathered some really good unboxing moments to be sharing with you guys. So let's get started. So for some of you guys who are like really thorough with Instagram stuff, you know that every year before the holiday comes, like the month of October, technically that's when all the commercials dropping their holiday edition holiday sets. I wasn't actively attracted to the last 2 years holiday sets from Chanel, but this year when I saw the images being released, oh my goodness, they definitely caught my eye and I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. I know some of my friends on Instagram have received them much sooner, but I decided to wait, and I believe I'm maybe in one of the last waves of just getting it. Nonetheless, all of them came with the holiday packaging and they look super beautiful. You know, there are a few sets that are included in this launch. They're all makeup sets for the most part, and for some reason I have seen different products included in these sets in different countries. But for North America, there are 5 different sets that are launched in this series. 3 of them came with the denim blue, kind of like that tweed material pouch. It's a makeup bag, and 2 other came in the white makeup bag. And obviously for people who love Chanel, myself included always, it's important that I get one of each color. I love how my salesperson wrapped this so beautifully. It's almost like a beautiful double bowl situation. So I'm super glad, and without further ado, let's open these together. This is the very first box, and then the other one will be in the back. Let's open this and see what's inside. I know the wrapping paper is double-sided. So this side is the gold wrapping paper, and the inside is like a white and silvery one. So voila! Apparently all the sets came in this beautiful golden box, and they all have different names. This one is called A Sight to See. This is the eye makeup set, which tries to amplify and define eyes with a volumizing mascara and a bold liner. And this set includes a La Volume de Chanel mascara and also a long-lasting eyeliner. I believe this is the navy. Yes, beautiful navy tweed makeup bag that came with this. And voila, here it is. I don't know, something just really attracted me to this because I'm a huge fan of anything denim from Chanel whenever they launch something. So when I saw the blue tweed, I just thought it's so beautiful. I will say I was first attracted to the white, but then when I saw a photo of the blue before the launch day, I was like, I'm going all in. So I need one of each color, and this is the blue one. And let me show you what is inside here. So inside here literally are just 2 different products, and we have, I'm sorry if my child is crying, but we have, sorry if there's noise in the background. Now I have 2 boys, and one of them is in the terrible 2 time period, so we just deal with different emotions throughout the day, and that pretty much empties the pouch. I absolutely adore the detail on the ribbon. I think every year they do phenomenally with the ribbon. This year mysterious blue, like deep navy color, just really attracted my eyes, so I definitely love them very much. I don't know, do you guys have any ideas of how you use ribbons that you really like? Because sometimes with limited editions, each brand issues different prints of ribbons, but I very much am in love with this as well. In here is my second set, and the lovely essay obviously included some gift with purchase. I believe there are just some charms. There are some additional ribbons because I have to wrap some other things I bought from her. And obviously everybody was hyping about these Chanel charms, as they come in 3 different symbols. One of them is a double CC, and the other one is the infamous Chanel fragrance bottle. This one is not labeled in particular. And lastly is the number 5. So they're all so very special, and I'm super glad that I got all 3 of them. I know it sounds silly, but I guess that's kind of what we all do, right? When we love something, just have FOMO. So you just need to make sure that you pick up every piece. Before I open the last set, which I believe is a white one because she used the white wrapping paper, I also picked up the Illuminating Powder Dual, which is a limited edition. Truthfully, I wasn't going to purchase this in the beginning, but I thought, you know, I don't want to miss out on the chances of their special launches, even though I must say it's really hard to catch a break from Chanel Beauty right now because they're filling every gap of the season to launch something. Now there's like a spring launch, and then there's a summer launch, and then a fall, and then a holiday launch for their limited edition stuff. So it's really hard. I love that it comes in this beautiful black box. At the same time, it has a gold CC, which I don't own something like this yet, but inside it has this beautiful lasered pattern of the Chanel beadwork. It's beautiful, and it has all the CC logos, and it's a 2-tone. So truthfully, I don't think I would want to ruin the patterns on there, but it's just so nice to have, and it's beautiful. The pink and the white, I must have this one on hand as well. So the final piece from my holiday makeup sets will be this one, and I love how once again she tied 2 bowls, and then let's just open them because they're so beautiful, despite the fact that they're a little bit hard to open, but I appreciate the effort. And I would say it's definitely worth the wait. And she told me I got the last set. I just love doing this because holiday is not quite here yet, but I get to splurge first and share with you guys what I got. So I love the unwrapping part. So this is called the Easy Come Easy Glow, which includes the Balm Essential and the Rouge Cocoa Balm. And here she is. Okay, let me take a really good look, because the white one was the one that caught my eye first. But I will say, you know what, now looking at it, I feel like the texture isn't as abundant as the blue. You know, it has like the gold ribbon picking through, kind of tries to mimic the tweed material. But I would say the blue is more substantial in my opinion. And in here lies 2 of the products that's mentioned on the box and some stuffing paper. So here you go. So this is the Rouge Cocoa Balm. I know a lot of us really love this one because it's a really nice lip care. Oh, this is one of the colored ones. It's called Natural Charm, and then truly I can see myself work with this beautiful brick color for fall. We have the Balm Essential, which this is the glow stick. Oh, I absolutely love this because every time when I feel like I'm running out of highlighter, I always use this. And today I actually used the same glow stick, but in a different color. So that's kind of where the highlight of my makeup comes from. And this is a transparent one. My OG is also in this exact spec, and I absolutely love it as my makeup. So this is a very quick but not too short Chanel holiday set unboxing. The next section, I wanted to share some of the shoes that I came across on the internet. I filmed it a while ago, but I just love how good the quality of the shoes are, and I love how timeless also the design is, and most importantly, the idea behind the brand is that they use recycled plastic as the material for their products, so it's very eco-friendly. They're very comfortable to wear. The colorways I picked out are something that I definitely can see myself dress up and dress down with different outfits, as it's more of the neutral palette. First is the sandal. I cannot share with you how excited I was when I received them or when I first laid my eyes on them. I was really excited to wear these transition into fall teddy shoes. They were really comfortable, and the colorway is my absolute favorite. And when the weather gets colder, you can also layer it with a pair of socks. It's really nice to have. And the next pair is this beautiful beige colored boots that I was looking to add into my collection. I realized that lately I became more appealed to like the lighter color, even though you guys know I love black. These are really comfortable to wear. Later on, like my mom got a pair for herself as well. And lastly is this kitten heel. Kitten heel is something that I'm never shy to add to my collection, and I'm never afraid to have too many pairs of, because kitten heels are very, very easy to wear. It's not intimidatingly too high or too low to wear for an event, but it adds that elegance to your outfit. And also I think as a lady, a little kitten heel is just always very proper and very classy. So I picked the one with a beige body with a black tip, which is very much like the classic Chanel sandals, and basically a very iconic Chanel colorway, and these work out just as perfect. I make sure I'm linking all of the information about them in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, because I have more videos, very exciting videos actually I'm filming right now, so they will be aired very soon, and I cannot wait to share with you guys what I got next. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye. Dos